Say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you say it in Yoruba too?
Eshe.
Wow, that is it. Eshe, oh, thank you so much.
Adupe.
Did you hear? Adupe. Hi everyone, here's the delicious kitchen. We are not cooking right now. I'm on the way to grocery shopping now, and I'm taking you all along with me, lovelies. Like you all know, we cook on this channel, but before we cook, we also need the ingredients we need for cooking, and that's the part of what I want to go and get right now. So let's drive together. So lovelies, we are on the way to Kaufland. Kaufland is a very big supermarket where you can get almost everything at once in a place. So lovely people, we are right now at the supermarket. We've arrived there. We need to get down, get our carts, and then we go buying of the things. Please get my bag at the back of the car, please. I'm now at the place where I said once you come in, you can get everything. And this is the place, we call it Kaufland. Buying this. That is vegetable oil for frying, and it's 2 liters. It's 2 liters. See what I told you? I said you can find everything here. This is coconut. Coconut is not what you find easily, but I've just found one now. I'm taking this. It's going to be yummy. You can see it at the back. It's from Turkey. It's going to be yummy. Let me take this. Guys, look at onions. You see the pack of it, 5 kilograms. This is a good buy. We're going to get one. I picked some bananas. I tried to pick the ripe ones and not ripe ones, because now the weather is cold. The ripe ones are better. Just bought the tomatoes, and then we have to weigh it. That's the price. And I still bought really? I get my sweet cream. That's what you have here. These are tomatoes. So this is rice section. I just showed you well bought this fruit. Let me show you the shop here. You can see they have pots, cooking pots. They also have boots. That's why I said once you come in here, you can get everything in this place. This is their Maggi, 10 in a pack. I've taken 4, that means I have 40 pieces of Maggi now. That's it. So we are now at the section of fish. They have different kind of fish here. Can you see lobster? This is lobster.
Kitchen can be beat.
This is where we buy our drinks. It's at the down of the supermarket we came. That's where they have the section for drinks. That's our home malts. This is our Vita malts. It tastes almost like the ones we have at home. Those are the drinks, and then at the top I have my malt. My mom. Do I look tired already? It's been a busy day. Direct from work, I went to pick my daughter, and we came direct shopping here. That's what I said. After buying, packing it, it's also another work here. Getting home inside, I want to get everything. Mom, put it here. It's now the time to go home, and also time to pack everything we bought into the house. Thanks so much for your love, for your support, and my baby is also saying thank you.
Thank you.
Can you say it in Yoruba too?
Eshe.
Wow, that is it. Eshe, oh, thank you so much.
Adupe.
Did you hear? Adupe. Okay.